Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this video tutorial how to use focus on your iPhone device simultaneously. Of course, we will learn also with practical how to set up, how to use, or how to personalize, how to customize focus feature on your iPhone device. It's very useful. If you are a beneficiary of iPhone device, guys, then of course you must use it. Sometimes it's very beneficial for us. So what is a focus feature? See guys, focus feature filters all the notifications and messages based on your what you are doing or based on what you are doing. So let's set up by personalization or customization. So I will come in a control center. Now see guys, it's a control center. Here is a science, this one focus. So I will click on here. Now see guys, here I have already customized, but let's set up from start. I will come in a setting guys, and after coming in a setting I will scroll up. Now see below notification here, third option is focus. So I will click on here. Now see we can go for customization by clicking on this plus. Otherwise, if you have elected from it, if any feature, any options that suits you according to your requirement or according to your choice, you can elect. Suppose you are driving, of course you can elect. If you would like to have a don't disturb anyone, suppose your schedule is very busy, if you have the working on some important task or project, then of course you can go for don't disturb also. On a personal setup, sleeping mode and working, of course you can set up here. Now see these options here across device. Suppose more than one device is working on a same Apple ID, then when you will enable, then this feature will be applicable on that device also automatically. If you don't want to share across the device, of course just don't enable it. Now how you will customize? Suppose I am a driving guys here. I will click on a driving and I will enable it. So now it's enabled. Now see guys here sign that now this device is on driving mode. So if I elect some person, suppose I have elected one person here to allow notification. If this person will call on this number or on this device, then automatically it will be replied that of course see here while driving active, automatically reply that of course at the moment I am on driving, call later, or of course we can have any message according to on customization on choice. So auto reply favorite we will go. So let's learn step by step here by choosing one another feature, another options. See we will click on a custom by a plus point. Suppose let me back to once again. We will click on a plus. So now see guys here we have a custom, second is a fitness, gaming. So let's have one mindfulness feature I would like to enable. So now I will go for next. Now here see guys we can select here allow the people, thus we would like to allow some people particular. So see here choose the people you want notification from when this focus is on this mindfulness. So we can go for allow by clicking on this add options and we can select. So suppose I have I have selected this guy and now I will allow. So before allowing I will come on this call from. So on a call from favorite I have elected here. If you would like to allow this feature applicable on all the contact that you have saved on your device, then you can select it. Otherwise, of course, no one, you can everyone and favorite. So favorite, I have selected him. Now allow repeat call. So more than 2 minutes it will be allowed, and it will repeat again and again, of course, approximately 2 minutes too, because you have been in a busy schedule. Yeah, if you have been on a mindfulness focus, so in that situation, of course, a second call from same person within a 3 minutes will not be silenced. So see guys, this notification will be for 3 minutes. If you would like to have the once times, then just disable it. Now I will click on it, done guys. Now we have a choice to allowed or allowed none. So I will click on allow. So once time, see guys, allow only time sensitive. You can, otherwise allow none. Of course, we will click on this ones, allowed. Now see turn mindfulness, turn automatically. I will click on here and I will go for done it. So now see, of course I have created. Now I will enable it. Now it's enabled. How can we confirm that it's enabled? Yes, we will come in a control center. Now see guys, it's highlighted and enabled. How we can disable quickly? Of course, we will click once time on this focus feature. Now it's disabled because see, it's not highlighted. I can hold on this feature and all the detail will come. Suppose I am on a driving, I can select. Now driving option has been selected. I will click on a 3 dot. Now see guys, driving focus will be activated automatically based on detected motion. So while you're driving, it will be automatically detected that you are driving, and of course if these particular people that I have elected in a favorite mode, when it will call, then it will give a more than 3 minutes notification. Except this, except favorite, no one can access to especially on this device, because on the time we will be on a driving. So how it's useful guys, according to your own personalization, you can customize, you can personalize, and you can be beneficiary of this focus feature on your iPhone device if you are consumer of iPhone device guys. This is all about in this video tutorial. If it is informative and acknowledgeable, then please don't forget like and subscribe. Also ponder to a share so that might be beneficial for someone who is highly interested to have such an informative video guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.